guys, I'm Christy with WTI. I don't know about you, but purchasing a new phone case feels like such a huge commitment. Well, let me take some guesswork out of it for you because this phone case from Alphex has been my absolute favorite. This phone stand that they built into the case is a total game changer for functionality. I use my phone for everything, especially cooking, so having this stand is really convenient when I'm following along with a recipe. I can be hands-free. This is great for FaceTiming friends. You can set it upright or landscape too, which is really nice. And then when you're not using the stand, you rotate it upright and it sits flush against the phone case. As far as protecting your phone, this also has some great features to do that. So there's a lip around the camera lenses as well along the outer edge. So if you do happen to drop it, which we all do, it's going to help absorb some of that shock so that your camera lens or your phone screen doesn't shatter. So I think if you're looking for something to add to the functionality of your phone as well as protect it, you're going to absolutely love this case too. And that's my point of view.